If you're a coach and you already use Canva, then this is going to save you a load of time. Go to Canva and go to create a design, then pick document. So what Canva has done is it's added in a new AI software. So if you hit this plus button and then go to magic write, we can put something in like, as a coach, write 5 tips for fat loss videos. And then I'm going to do this in real time just so you can see how fast it actually is. But the AI will do all of the work for you. So if you're thinking about ideas for your weekly content, start with a healthy diet. Make sure to include plenty of lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, avoid processed foods, foods high in saturated fats. So what I would do is use this as a way of giving you a baseline to work off. And then like as a coach, you might say, make sure to include plenty of lean proteins such as turkey, mince, and just talk about things that are lean, fruits, same idea. So this is just going to save you mountains of time whenever you're trying to come up with content. I know from being a coach myself that I used to have to sit for ages thinking about what to talk about, thinking about what to do. So this is just a game changer, really. So this is one that I just wrote, how to stay in a calorie deficit, just as a different example. So one way to stay in a calorie deficit is to track your daily calorie intake. To do this, you could use a food tracking app. So you could just elaborate on this so it can write your copy for you. So hopefully this will save you a lot of time and you don't have to learn a new software like we've seen lots of softwares out there. This is something you're already using. It would just be a case of tweaking the copy now and then adding in your images, adding in your font, everything that you normally do to keep within your brand. So here's another quick example that I used, 5 ways to practice gratitude. So if you're not just in the health and fitness space and you're in the mindset space, so write down 5 things you're grateful for each day. So there are your baselines and then you just build upon that. Say thank you to people around you for the things that they do for you. So this could be turned into a carousel, a post. You could elaborate on it or just use the first example and then generate a blog based on that. I hope this helps you, and if you're already using Canva, it's definitely going to save you a load of time. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I am happy to answer them. Have a super awesome day, whatever you get up to, and I'll speak to you again soon.